Delhi's got a new Chief Minister, anti-graft crusader Arvind Kejriwal, who was sworn in as Delhi's 7th and youngest Chief Minister at the Ramleela grounds, and is all set. In fact, that cabinet meeting just about ending just a short while back. Let's get your reactions.
मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल
ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा। मैं मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक और शुद्ध अंतःकरण से निर्वहन करता रहूंगा तथा मैं भय या पक्षपात अनुराग या द्वेष के बिना सभी प्रकार के लोगों के प्रति संविधान और विधि के अनुसार न्याय करूंगा। गोपनीयता की शपथ। मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि जो विषय मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में मेरे विचार के लिए लाया जाएगा अथवा मुझे ज्ञात होगा उसे किसी व्यक्ति या व्यक्तियों को तब के सिवाय जबकि मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों के सम्यक निर्वहन के लिए ऐसा करना अपेक्षित हो। मैं प्रत्यक्ष अथवा अप्रत्यक्ष रूप में संसूचित या प्रकट नहीं करूंगा।
Well, that was earlier in the morning. Let's get in a quick update from Meetu Jain, who, remember, was the first to get us all details as far as the handing out of portfolios is concerned. Meetu, the first cabinet meeting conducted by Arvind Kejriwal ended a short while back. Now, give us a sense of how we're expecting things to move forward, even with the kind of details he spelt out. What's next for Arvind Kejriwal immediately?
Well, first things first, we do understand that all secretaries to the government have been changed. 6 of them have been changed and new secretaries have been replaced now. The police commissioner is also, of course, expected to be arriving here at around after 4 o'clock in the evening, and it's about 4:40 is his appointment time. And also where the cabinet details are concerned, of course, the meeting is over. He is now holding a meeting with all his other officials, and the strategy for the next few days is going to be worked out. But remember, the dates for the assembly session is also likely to be announced anytime soon. We do understand it's going to be a week-long assembly session, and there are going to be about 5 sittings in that. Arvind Kejriwal has about a week's time to prove his majority even though his party is in a minority where the assembly is concerned. But yes, the major issues are going to be water, power and anti-corruption agenda of the Aam Aadmi Party. And where the corruption issues are concerned, there are reports that a charge sheet has been prepared against some senior officials by the Anti-Corruption Bureau. These details will be given to Arvind Kejriwal. Now, whether he takes it, how seriously he takes it, because remember, he also holds a vigilance portfolio, remains to be seen. But a political witch hunt at the moment it looks unlikely, even though, yes, heads have already begun to roll and more changes in the bureaucracy are likely in the days to come.